The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 4:00 p.m. NASA has discovered that the color purple is spreading around the globe. People, animals, vehicles, buildings, houses, and objects are turning purple. Is believe that the color purple will spread around the globe in the next hour. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world gather together with your friends, family, children, kids, pets, and objects and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.